Hello, my dear guest. Today I want to show you the latest features of Angular 14 forms. This will be useful for people who want to upgrade their skills in forms and understand the new features. So let's jump into the code. The first, if you've been developing for a long time, you've probably inserted in the constructor FormBuilder, and then you would use it in while creating form. So you will type this FormBuilder and create group and create your form. Now what you can do is there is no need to insert it in the constructor. What you can do is type new FormBuilder, and it's the same, but it's much cleaner because you don't need to import this in every constructor, and it's kind of frustrating a little bit. Another feature will be, and the most important feature, it's type forms. So now when we create a form and we assign it some parameter, for example doc, now it knows the type, and it knows that there is parameter doc in the form. So now when I try to access controls, it knows that there is a doc. And also it knows the type of this control. So when I will try to set value of this control, and for example, I will try to set 2. It doesn't like it because 2 is the number, and as we know, we have it as a string. So it will show an error. To fix it, we just make it a string and everything will be okay. For people who doesn't want to have types, I mean, maybe there is some reason, but it's kind of useful feature, but there can be a use case when you don't want to have a type. In this case, there is untyped FormBuilder. And as you can see, because it doesn't know that there is a doc as a value, it shows an error. To fix it, we will just use like old style. And it works. Another useful feature that will be kind of very useful for you is resetting form. So let's create a form. We'll say we have a form with dog corgi and pizza or food. We will have pizza. And I've already created a form. And it looks like this. Yeah, it's somewhere messed up. Yeah, let's have form group. And we will need FormBuilder. Let's look back. Yeah, for some reason it's logged out. So now we have a form where we will have favorite doc and favorite food. And in case when I try to reset, when I try to reset page, I use this form and I say reset. What it will do, it will remove your values. But what you want to do is to preserve the value. So you just reset form and the default values will be there. And with Angular 14, it's quite easy to do. Now, if you add non-nullable form, when we change something and we reset it, it will go to the default values that you've assigned in the form. Another point that sometimes you will need not the whole form to be resettable, but for example, one value. In this case, you will remove non-nullable. And in case, for example, we want that corgi will be default value, you will pass non-nullable to true. And in this case, when we change something here and here and press reset, the doc will be reset to the default value, but because food is not non-nullable, it will remove it completely. And the last what I wanted to show is, because I'm using mostly FormBuilder, but if you like, you can use, for example, form group and create like this. But I prefer actually FormBuilder because it's much easier and you don't need to type this form control. And here you will pass empty value. So you can, so this is the same, the form will be typed. So when we try doc, it will have values. But there is one more thing here. What you can do, you can actually pass the interface for your form. So we'll say we have interface my form, and in interface my form we will have doc and we will have food. Doc will be form control with a string, and we will have food. It will be also form control with also with a string. And now we can pass the interface for your form. You can say my form, and it will show an error because it wants food as a controller, and we don't have. What you can do is make an optional to fix it. Yeah, we can have like this. It says string, or you need to pass it. It's string or null. Yeah. Good luck. Yeah. In this case, you need to have, because it can be null or it can be string. And the last thing that I wanted to show you is if we have just one control, like this alone form control, it has the same features. Equals to new form control. I will say corgi. Yep. So we have the single input, and we can also reset it the same style. Reset. And if we reset it like this, it will lose. And to make it that it remembers the value, you just pass non-nullable true. And now when you reset, it will reset the default value that you assign here. And that's it. And remember to believe in yourself. Have a great day. Bye.